This exercise will help you review employment and work-related vocabulary. You'll hear a variety of phrases in English to interpret into your LOTE language. A vocabulary sheet with key terms for this topic is available in the description below. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel.
The company is looking for a new employee with at least 5 years of experience in marketing.
Before I accept the job offer, I want to read the contract carefully to understand the terms and conditions.
After working hard for 3 years, she finally got a promotion and became a team leader. Since I lost my job, I have been receiving unemployment benefits to help cover my expenses while I search for a new position.
The company offers training programs to help employees develop new skills and advance in their careers.
After submitting my job application, I received an invitation for an interview next week.
The company has a strict policy on workplace behavior, so employees must behave professionally in the office.
I work as a freelancer because I like the flexibility of choosing my own clients and projects.
The government raised the minimum wage to ensure all workers receive fair compensation.
The IT company offers great benefits, including health insurance and paid vacations.
The manager asked me to update my resume before applying for an internal promotion.
Due to the economic crisis, many companies are planning to lay off employees to reduce costs.
He was late for work too often, so his boss had no choice but to fire him.
The company encourages employees to take a good work-life balance to maintain their well-being and avoid burnout.
After 20 years in the industry, she decided to change her career and work in a completely different field.
The employee was accused of workplace harassment, so the company launched an investigation.
Since she is expecting a baby, she will take maternity leave for a few months.